In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and preview an image sequence in Nuke. By the end, you'll confidently bring in a sequence, confirm it's detected correctly, and view it in the viewer. First, we need a read node because every image or sequence you bring into Nuke comes through read. You can get there quickly by pressing the R key or by using the top menu and navigating to image, then read. Both methods open the same file browser, so choose whichever fits your workflow. In the file browser, locate your sequence and click on the very first frame. For example, if your files are named image.xr, image.002xr, and so on, select image.001xr. Don't select all the files. Nuke only needs the first one to identify the entire range. This works with common formats like EXR, PNG, or JPEG as long as the file names are numbered consistently and live in the same folder. Before you open it, take a quick look at the file name field. You should see that Nuke has recognized the sequence and is representing it as a frame range, something like image.sam.xr or image.cent40.xr. The hashes or the %04d indicate the padding, the number of digits in your frame numbers, and this is what tells Nuke that it's a sequence, not a single still. If you don't see that range pattern, double check that your files are numbered continuously and that you really selected the first frame. Consistent padding like 001 through 0100 is important for Nuke to read the whole set. Now click open. Nuke will detect the sequence and automatically create a read node in your node graph. That node represents the entire frame range, and your project bin and properties panel will reflect details like the file path, format, and frame range. This is your source media, ready to be piped into your script. To preview the sequence, connect it to a viewer node. Select the read node and press 1 on your keyboard to send it to the first input of your viewer. If you prefer to compare multiple inputs later, you can press 2 to send it to the second input, but for now 1 is perfect. You should immediately see your sequence in the viewer, and you can scrub the timeline to confirm frames are loading in order. If your sequence doesn't appear as expected, revisit the file name pattern and numbering, and make sure you actually selected the first frame. With that, you've successfully read an image sequence into Nuke and previewed it in the viewer, ready for compositing.